Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade NVMe drive in your desktop or laptop computer. Today I used HP laptop. This gives me customer for repair and troubleshooting. Let's start. Turn around your laptop. Backside you can see few cover locks. Be careful to do this. Some manufacturers hide inside of rubber knobs to child protection. You must remove all the cover locks for remove your back cover. Now you can remove your back cover. Before touch any hardware components, you must remove your battery for your safe. Now you can see your current hardware components like your hard disk drive or memory card slots or USB ports or Ethernet card slots and etc. Well, now you find how to support a motherboard to upgrade SSD M2 NVMe. I think you know about what kind of hardware can you upgrade in your computer. Before you buy NVMe or M2 or SSD drive to your computer, please carefully listen. Get some help your computer hardware technician which hard disk type your computer motherboard supports. My laptop supports me to upgrade NVMe drive. NVMe drive comes with many different kind of lengths attach your computer. Solid state drive, otherwise SSD drive, faster than hard disk drive. M2 faster than SSD drive, and NVMe faster than dual. Okay, finally I finished my NVMe drive installation. Then I set up Windows. It's not in video. After finish my Windows installation, I try to power on my computer. Check how you can see Windows running so fast. Thank you. Okay, when you used your old hard disk, I mean your IDE SATA hard disk drive, you start to do something in your computer, or your hard disk always make some sounds, always slow running and get some boring memories to you. But I want to say something. No any trouble can hear you. That's a great opportunity. Other than their file transfer rate very slow with large files with your old hard disk. No problem. Try to do some large file transferring and how to fast you can get. Yeah, it's amazing. You can feel that. That's the NVMe technologies. Yeah. Enjoy more and more yourself. Finally, you can work out with your laptop in plenty of hours without plug your computer. You will see more benefits with your new upgrades. Thanks. See you next video soon.